2013 Ford Transit Connect XLT upper lower radiator coolant hose T replacement. That part would be located right here. And of course, make sure you have the right part. These 3 clips are the only things that need to be taken off to do this job. Get you some vice grips, loosen up the clips, pull off the hose. Make sure you have something under it to catch your coolant, unless you just feel like making a mess. And do the same thing for the other 2 hoses. My coolant hose T was completely broken, and I went to Amazon and O'Reilly and everywhere, and the only thing I could find was this one that I put on. And as you can see, it's a little bit smaller than the original part, so I still had a slow leak. So I went on Amazon and I ordered the right part, and it is exactly the same size, so we won't have that slow leak. And to put it on, you just do everything in reverse. Put your hoses on, and then put the clips on, clamps on, whatever you want to call them. Do that for all 3 hoses. This is not a hard job, but the position that it's in, you gotta have some patience. Yeah, you gotta have some patience. But I mean, $20 for a part off Amazon to fix this problem, which I don't know how much they would charge you for in the shop, but comment below. Get your coolant, open up your reservoir, fill it up with coolant, and if you need to know how to replace your coolant reservoir, I have a video on that as well. But that is all.